So guys, I want to show you how to make an orange cake. So you need an orange, 3 eggs, (80 ml) cooking oil, adding grams of sugar, some 250 grams of flour, baking flour, some vanilla essence is in powder fragrance, some baking powder, 2 teaspoonfuls, that's more than enough, and we use a pinch of salt. So we are going to blend the eggs, the orange, the cooking oil, and the sugar. This one, so put them aside. And before that, you need to spray some oil and sprinkle some flour on your tray so that your cake does not hold on the side. And preheat your oven for 5 minutes at 180 degrees. Yep. Let's get down to work. So sugar, cooking oil, my 3 eggs, then I cut my orange. Blend it till smooth. Is going to go now. So we add our flour here. A pinch of salt. Then our mixer, we'll put it in the flour and try to mix it slowly by slowly. And before putting your mixture in that baking tray, oil it a bit. Oil your baking tray with some oil. That's what I'm doing right now. After oiling, use some flour on the tray. Sprinkle some flour to avoid the cake from sticking. Yeah. That is done. So let's pour our mixture in the baking tray.
Can I pour some? Even we are making cupcakes.
That's enough. So we put it in, take it to the oven. We preheated our oven for 5 minutes, so I'll go ahead and put my cake over there and then set a timer 40 minutes
That's gonna take too long. But you
and
have to,
wait.
Yeah, you have to be patient.
Homemade orange cake. Try it, let me know. It's so yummy. So spongy and so good. Try it, let me know. How is the cake?
Very good.
Very good.
How good?
It's like,
Spongy?
yeah.
Uh-huh. What else? Uh-huh.
I think.
Oh, good.
Yeah.
It has so much texture. Tastes good. Especially the yellow part. So good.
It's an orange cake.
Yeah. We made this like
Is it spongy?
Look, if I touch
Yeah.
it, it's hot. It's like SpongeBob.
Ah, thank you.
No.
Hope you enjoy it.
It's a 10 out of 10.